Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a review on free heirloom seeds. They are an organization that is based, I believe, out of California. I've been ordering with them for years now, and all of my seeds have always germinated. I actually started off with them. I'm not sure if they still do this, so if they don't quote me. I know that if you are in need of seeds, they do offer seeds to people who cannot afford seeds. I do remember initially how I learned about them is that they would give 4 seeds. You can order 4 seeds per year per address. All you had to do was pay $1.25 for shipping and handling. Now, I don't know if they still do that, but this year I did a massive haul, and I have to say I just absolutely love the quality of the seeds. They will tell you how many seeds that you can expect to see inside of each packet, if it's limited, whatever the case may be. A lot of times what I do as well is I'll Google the variety of the seed to just see what it looks like, because it's such a massive list. They do not have photos near each item. The process is relatively simple. They've been viral several times, and I'm depending on the time of the year, that's when, you know, I can imagine if they receive a lot of requests, that's when you receive, you'll receive your order based on the volume. I placed my order, and I want to say within 2 weeks, if not sooner, I received my order, and I made a donation, and my seed order was I wouldn't even be surprised if I ordered close to 100 seed packets. And I was so shocked when I received my order in the mail, because with everything going on, I just wasn't expecting it. But I've always had germination. They've always sent my seeds. I believe this is the 4th year that I've ordered from them. They've always sent the seeds. They are just such an amazing organization to really take the time out to, this is all, I believe, all volunteers, to really take the time out to pack the seeds, to deliver. I can imagine they have to go to like the post office, label the seed packets. This is actually how each individual seed packet will arrive in the mail. And what I love about this too is that a lot of times, like, you can put notes on the back of these of the dates that you planted the seeds. I reuse these packets, especially when I'm seed saving. They're huge on that. Make sure you save your seeds, guys, so you can save the packets, and as you save the seeds out throughout the season, you can put them right back in the packet. What I've been doing also is just making sure that I gently open the packet so I can close it back. I can put like washi tape, because that's really easy to open, and then label it in the back if need be. This is, again, my 4th year using them, and I've learned about so many different vegetables and fruits through them. There is like so much that so much that I didn't know, and so I didn't know so much was out there, and they really provided me with the resource. A lot of times too, they give a breakdown of what it is, what zone is good for. They are just amazing. I cannot imagine what it's like maintaining that organization, but every time I've ordered with them, I have received my order. They have just the ordering process is very seamless. You just select the seeds, and then you make the payment, make the donation, and then you send the order breakdown to them via email. That process is just super simple. Then you receive your seeds in the mail. If you have not ordered from them, and maybe you just don't even have a garden, or you don't plan on having a garden, or you just want to support, definitely make sure they should be an organization that's top priority on your list, into like organizations to donate. Really thankful for them. I love the quality of the seeds that I receive. I love, like I said, I have all of my seeds germinate, and it really gives me an opportunity to support an amazing cause, and to also work on my garden. If you are looking for a place to order your seeds from, definitely make sure that you order seeds for them. They are awesome, and it's just, I would love to know what seeds you have ordered from them, or what do you love ordering from them to grow, or your success story in the comment section. They are such an amazing organization, and they're just another gem out there to support. Guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. I look forward to hearing all about your experience with them, and I will chat with you guys soon.